Hey everybody, welcome back to Sir J's Tutorials. This is going to be a series of tutorials on installing Windows 11 25H2. Right now, it is November 25th, 2025. So this is the kind of old slash new way, probably the most effective way and clean way to do it. First off, let's go over the things that you need, and this is going to be required to be able to do this. You need USB jump thumb drive, and it's got to be greater than 8 gigabytes or equal to, better to be greater, 16 at least, in my opinion. You need the Windows 11 ISO file, and you need Rufus to be able to install this ISO file. You can use Ventoy and or Medicat, which is essentially the same thing, just has more services between these two. But sometimes this doesn't work. It's not always clean or things are broken, but Rufus works almost 100% of the time. I've never had it fail on me. Let's go ahead and go over and get all these installed. First, you want to go ahead and open up whatever web browser you're using. I'm using Edge for this, just for the purpose of the tutorial. Go ahead and Google search Rufus download. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the downloads right here. Right now, this is what we're going to download, the standard edition for Windows. You can do the portable one if you want to. I already have it downloaded, but I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page. Go ahead and Google search Windows 11. We're not doing this Windows creation media. Nope, not doing that one. What we are doing is we're going to go ahead and download the ISO file. Go ahead and select here and do Windows 11, multi-ISO. Go ahead and hit confirm. It's going to validate. Once it validates, go ahead and pick your language. For me, it's English United States. Hit confirmed. Once you confirm, it's going to download the ISO file. I hit Control J because I've already downloaded it and I was about to download it again. It's right here. I downloaded Rufus as well. Now, if you want a good USB thumb drive that's going to be really quick, you can head over to Amazon, wherever you can get this particular Samsung one. I've got several of these. I bought several of these. They're pretty cheap. It's 17 bucks down here, as you can see. And even the 64 gigabytes, even more, a little bit more expensive than 128 gigabytes. 128 gigs is definitely overkill, but at least the biggest thing is it's fast. Having it being fast at 400 megabytes per second is going to make this process go way faster. Next, you need to go ahead and open up Rufus. Go into your start menu, Rufus, or where you downloaded it at. It's just a command, exe file. Go ahead and hit yes. I already did this, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to do it again, just so y'all can see. So you want to select your device. At first, mine says Samsung, 128 gigs. You want to select where it's located. For me, it's located in the folder I put it in, but for you, more than likely, it's going to be under your downloads folder. Once you found it, go ahead and open it. After you open it, you're just going to go ahead and keep the standard Windows install going. You definitely want to keep GPT going. You do not want the other one. I believe it's MBR. Yeah, don't do it on that one. You want the UEFI. And then you want to go ahead and change the name of this if you want. I'm going to go ahead and change the name to what I have it up there, W1125H2. You're going to go ahead and keep this MTFS and then hit start. When you hit start, you want to make sure that all of these are not checked. I think these two are checked initially. If you've never done this before, keep those unchecked. And then when you're done, go ahead and hit OK. It's going to ask you this warning. When it asks you this warning, go ahead and hit OK. It's going to wipe the entire drive. If you don't want that happening, don't do it. Do a different drive. Anyways, it's going to wipe the whole drive. It's going to install this. We'll be back in a moment just for this install to be complete. Now that that's done, it's going to go ahead and say ready at the bottom, bright green for me. It could be a different color for you. I think it's probably going to be the same. Nonetheless, this concludes this portion of the tutorial. So I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful week, weekend. God bless. Later, y'all.